Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is a video presentation for subject Construction Engineering BFC 21002 from Section 1 and lecturer Dr. Ahmed MOKHTAR. So we will present a little bit about sewage system and including pipe system and manhole. So we are from group 6. So this is our group members: Ahmad HAFIZI, Muhammad RAZLAN, Muhammad ZULKHAIRI, myself Muhammad Farhan, and TENGKU Ahmad FAIZ. So next is about the video. Okay, next I will explain a little bit about sewer system. So sewer system, urban wastewater system are needed in densely populated areas so that you don't have to deal with your neighbor waste. In ideal environment, sewer system are completely gravity fed, meaning that the pipe slope downward from the source of your toilet to the wastewater treatment plant. So this is done because wastewater has a lot of solid in it, making it harder to pump wastewater. Also has a lot of bacteria and chemicals, and when we push it through turbulent environment like pump, it can create dangerous and deadly gases like hydrogen sulfide. In an ideal system, pipe from each houses or building flow into a sewer main that usually run alongside a road or underneath one of the sewer main in a large area is usually 3 to 5 feet in diameter, with pipe from each house being about 6 to 12 inches in diameter. On average, in every sewer main, there are predictably vertical pipe that meet the ground with the manhole. These access points are spaced depending about the local code and needed in just in case a problem arises in the sewer. Mainly say that your toddler has a nasty habit of flushing toys, so if they do this enough in the toys make it into the main, there might eventually be a major clog. So the city workers need to remove sewer mains will flow into progressively larger and larger pipe as they accumulate more and more sewage. Okay, next is a little bit about the manhole installation. Okay, first we measure the distance that required to cut the piping. For install, measure intended around length, accounting for length that will be inside the concrete base upon insertion. Once the pipe has been cut to length, chamfer and defer the pipe and that will be placed inside the manhole, and ensure the entire circumference of the connector has been equally addressed. Once the pipe has been placed in line, thoroughly lubricate the end of the pipe and the interior of the connector. If the pipe is to be placed in line with another pipe, align the two sections and slowly insert the spigot end of the pipe until it is resting inside the bell end of the downstream pipe section. Then carefully and firmly push the pipe into the place. For placing a precast concept concrete base into a trench, ensure that load-appropriate lifting clutches are used. One raise, ensure no material is present on the bottom of the base. This allows for level placement as the base is lowered into position. Lubricate both the end of a downstream pipe as well as the outlet of the base that will connect with a downstream pipe. Lower the manhole base until it is the same height as the downstream pipeline. Align the base outline with the pipe and push the hanging manhole base so that the pipe enters the outlet. Once the alignment is confirmed, push the manhole base home until the pipe must firmly up against the rear of a third step of the outlet. Often a pry bar is used to aid in a step. Once placed, ensure that the manhole base and downstream pipe are level. Make adjustment as necessary. For placement of a upstream pipe, again measure, cut and chamfer the upstream pipe and place it in line in the trench. Clear the selected inflow opening of the manhole base of any debris and unlubricate. Additionally, lubricate the upstream pipe for placement pipe with placement of the downstream pipe. Align the pipe and with the inflow opening of the base and push the inflow opening of the base and push home until the pipe butts firmly up against the rear of the third step. That is all from us, Crude Seeds. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.